these are the solar string lengths. Something about these ones is the bulb is larger, so then they're spaced farther apart. And then this particular one has a really good remote. It works from a long distance and has many different modes. So if you select auto run, it'll go through all of them. So I'll do that. But something funny I want to point out is it also messes with another string that I have over there. So I'll have to reset that one after I do this. But I have the controller down here. So here's what will happen if we do that. This is just the steady. And then I should go to flash. And then it just does, it cycles through all of them when you press that option. Then that's the quick one. And then after this, it'll do twinkle. So I guess it kind of looks like twinkle, but more like a cop car, I guess. And then the next one is a slow fade. Then there's a quick one and a wave. And then that's it. And then besides that, as it goes through this, you can adjust the brightness and you can choose between 4, 6, or 8 hours, or you can just do a timer, and it works from a really long distance.